how to use the Instagram grid pinning feature. To do that, simply open your Instagram. And once you're on your Instagram, simply tap on your profile and head to your channel. And from your profile, simply tap the specific post or reel that you want to pin. And once you're on the reel or post, simply tap on the two horizontal bar right over here. And once you scroll down, you will see pin to your main grid option or remove from main grid if you have already pinned. So simply tap on the pin to your main grid if you want to pin. Now wait, and your post has been pinned. Now to see the changes, simply head back to your menu and you can see the little dot or pin mark right above here. So if you post any number of posts or reels, this will always remain at the top. That is, it will be always pinned to your profile. And if you just want to unpin it, simply follow this step and tap on there and you will see remove from main grid and you can just tap on it. Or you can just tap on unpin from main grid. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.